Hi, welcome back. It's the second and last part of our Falcon Bird tutorial. If you're new here, make sure you watch the previous tutorial part first. You can find the link in cards, description and also in the end of this tutorial. So grab your tools and let's get started. I'm gonna use this Doom's colors pencils, and the reason behind using these specific colors that they are cheap and easily available on nearly every art store, so it's a good choice for beginners. Anyways, I have selected the following colors for this specific drawing, and you can pause the video right here to note them down. We left this lower portion of this falcon body in the first part, then I am going to continue from here. In order to complete this lower part, we need to add the base layer first. So I am going to add the base layer with skin tone color. Fill the base layer slowly and thoroughly. Okay, now grab dark brown color again and fill this area with these types of small and sharp lines or group of lines. Once you're done with this, you can use your black color to add these darker color feathers or texture lines, just like this. And also fill this portion with black color and texture. Now the overall process for the remaining portion is same as I did in the right portion. You just have to add these clusters or group of lines and they will look good. And also fill the remaining empty portion with black color or a mixture of black and skin tone as required. And in the end, you can use your mono zero eraser to add the highlights or white feathers in between these darker ones. You can also use knife method if you want. And with this final step, we are done with this realistic falcon drawing. If you are new here, make sure you watch the previous tutorial part first. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. Secondly, I have invested so much time making this video for you guys, and it will be really big help you if you share with your friends and social media groups. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks, and tag me your falcon drawing for a feature on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep drawing. See you in the next video.